As we continue on our theme of helping our plants survive this heat wave that we've been experiencing this summer and this drought, I want to drive home the fact that in August, we typically ask homeowners to cut back those ever-blooming roses, such as knockout roses, and then of course our Louisiana super plant selection, the drift roses as you see here. Now those are our ever-blooming plants, and we typically suggest that in August and in early September that you cut those plants back about a third so that we get another flush of blooms in October and November. And at that time, we also recommend fertilizing those plants. However, during this heat and this drought conditions, we want to avoid any heavy pruning on our roses, and we don't want to fertilize either. We don't want to try to encourage new growth on a plant that is very stressed out. So until we get a couple of hard rains, or unless you're watering on a regular basis, you want to hold off on extensive pruning. You can remove dead canes or diseased pieces of the plant if you would like to. One good thing about these low humidity temperatures is that we're not getting a lot of black spot or powdery mildew, which can be a problem on roses. If you do have that issue, you can use organic options such as copper sprays. So right now, during drought conditions, we're going to hold off on heavy pruning. We're going to hold off on fertilizing, continue to water those plants at the base of the plant to let them survive these hot drought days. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.